Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we apprise you with the recent important legal developments across the country. Here are the headlines. Centre files application in the Supreme Court to decide maintainability of petitions seeking legalization of same-sex marriages. Murderers of Atiq Ahmed and Ashraf sent to 14 days judicial custody. PIL in Supreme Court for Judicial Commission. UP government sets up Judicial Commission to inquire the case. National Commission for Protection of Child Rights opposes petition for granting adoption right to same-sex couples. Supreme Court stays Calcutta High Court order seeking probe by central agencies against TMC leader Abhishek Banerjee in the school jobs for bribe scam. Rahul Gandhi granted relief in the RSS defamation case of 2014. Thane Court grants permanent exemption from appearance to the Congress leader. Now let's take a detailed look on the headlines. The central government has filed an application before the Supreme Court asking the court to first decide whether or not the petition seeking legalization of same-sex marriages is maintainable. The centre argues that it shall act in accordance with the popular will of the people, particularly when it comes to personal laws, and that the social consensus favours a particular definition of marriage. An unequivocal democratic will should not be negated by a judicial order. The batch of petitions seeking the recognition of same-sex marriages is scheduled to be heard on April 18th by a constitution bench, comprising the Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud and Justices S.K. Kaul, S. Ravindra Bhatt, P.S. Narasimha and Hema Kohli. The three accused, identified as Sunny Singh, Lavlesh Tiwari and Arun Maurya in the murder by shooting of gangster-turned-politician Atiq Ahmed and his brother Ashraf, were sent to 14 days judicial custody in Prayagraj. The brothers were shot dead while being taken for medical examination by the police, after the three accused came disguised as media personnel. The assailants have been booked under Section 302 of the Indian Penal Code for murder, along with Sections 3, 7, 25 and 27 of the Arms Act 1959. In addition, a judicial commission, headed by retired judge of the Allahabad High Court, Justice Arvind Kumar Tripathi, has been set up by the Uttar Pradesh government to inquire into the matter. Interestingly, a PIL has also been filed in the Supreme Court for constitution of a judicial commission into Atiq and Ashraf's murder, and also seeking for the CBI to take over the probe in the encounter of gangster Vikas Dubey, stating that the top court must intervene to address the violation of constitutional right of life and liberty. The National Commission for Protection of Child Rights has opposed a petition filed in the Supreme Court seeking adoption rights for same-sex couples, claiming that allowing adoption to same-sex couples is akin to endangering the children. The NCPCR cites a study by the Catholic University of America, according to which emotional and developmental problems were twice as prevalent for children with same-sex parents than for heterosexual or opposite-sex parents. It was also submitted that the existing legal system concerning children, like the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act and Juvenile Justice Act, or the CARA guidelines, do not envision same-sex couples having custody over or adopting children. A bench of the Supreme Court comprising CJI D.Y. Chandrachud and Justices P.S. Narasimha and J.B. Pardiwala stayed the order passed by the Calcutta High Court, directing a probe by the central agencies, Enforcement Directorate and CBI, to inquire into the role of TMC leader Abhishek Banerjee in relation to the irregularities in appointments of teaching and non-teaching staff at government schools in West Bengal. Abhishek Banerjee has approached the Apex Court, alleging that Justice Abhijit Gangopadhyay, who had passed the order for inquiry by CBI and ED, had earlier expressed his dislike for the TMC leader in an interview to a news channel, and that other accused in the case were being coerced to cast aspersions upon him. A court of magistrate in Bhiwandi, Thane, granted Congress leader Rahul Gandhi permanent exemption from appearance in a 2014 criminal defamation case filed against him by a RSS member, after Gandhi, while addressing an audience the same year, said that RSS was behind the assassination of Mahatma Gandhi. While Gandhi is exempted from personal hearing, the court directed that his pleaders be present at every hearing and conduct the trial in his absence. Gandhi has pleaded not guilty during the trial of the case that began in 2018. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum, and subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.